Hello everyone, welcome back to my second part of the session. I will share with you in these presentations about the seed value chain, key global strategies, and integrated efforts towards seed system development. This is a seed value chain of formal seed system, which I share with you in the first part of this session. Different stakeholders are involved in different steps of seed value chain. Where do you see your role in this seed value chain? Probably most of us fit into one of the steps of the seed value chain. When we look back to 60 years till today, we can see two major global strategies that play an important role in the development of formal seed system. First strategy, which focus on development-oriented seed chain. Key driver of the seed chain was national food security. Large investments were made in the public sector to make the seed value chain functional. This global strategy is commonly known by green revolutions, where seed was promoted as a technology transfer agent. Therefore, governments should provide farmers with improved seed to increase their crop productivity. However, in many countries, investment made in the public sector failed to achieve their goal. In 1980s and 90s, there was a global policy change to undertake the market orientation in seed chain. This global policy change resulted withdrawal of public sector involvement in the seed production and supply, and public seed farms were privatized or sold. The role of private sectors was given as the highest priorities. Result of these strategies was mixed. Seed productions limited to the few commercial crops. Large number of varieties remain in the breeders' shelves. Key reason behind this, profit was a key driver in a market-oriented seed chain. Many self-pollinated crops, which are found to be financially risky for the investment by the private sectors. Still today, there is a limited linkages between the two major seed systems. Access to quality seed of preferred variety by farmers is remain as a big challenge. What are the possible strategies to overcome these challenges? I will share with you four key strategies that contribute in solving the challenges in the seed systems. First strategy is promoting crop diversity. Crop diversity can be promoted by increasing the effectiveness of the informal seed systems and increasing the effectiveness of the formal seed systems. Second strategy is promoting community-based participatory tools methodology to facilitate the collaboration between the farmers and professionals. For example, community seed bank empowers farmers to conserve, use the crop diversity, and increase the seed availability at local level. Collaboration between the National Gene Bank and Community Seed Bank strengthen the functioning of the seed systems by sharing crop diversity, knowledge, and information. Participatory plant breeding and participatory variety selection strengthen the collaboration between the plant breeders and farmers to jointly develop farmers' preferred and locally adapted varieties. Employing and sharing improved seed storage technologies by the seed sector's professionals with the farmers will help to solve one of the constraint at the household and community level seed storage issues. By establishing community seed production group and strengthening these groups will support to increase the deployment of improved varieties to the farmers. Third strategy is to strengthen the both public and private sector role in the functioning of seed value chain. For example, by increased seed investment in the public sector, developing supportive policies and incentive mechanisms to the private sector. Fourth strategy is differentiated policy support that address the realities of diverse seed systems. Each country do have multiple seed systems which coexist in parallel way. Developing policy that only favor to one specific seed systems may undermine the functioning of other seed systems. For examples, very strict plant variety protection law may impact to the household seed saving practices of the smallholder farmers. Similarly, strong access to genetic resources policy may empower genetic resource holders, but it may limit the genetic resource collection efforts by the gene banks. Now, you may ask the questions, how we can realize these strategies in the implementations? Where are the case examples? Where do we learn from? Well, this is the main purpose of the training course. We will be sharing with you various case examples in different course module. I would like to share with you two reading sources. The first is a book where we have synthesized global practices, and this can be downloaded in a given link. Other is a website where we post our work in the seed systems. With these slides and informations, I look forward to your questions and further discussions during our live sessions. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.